you mad, I put a bag on top your head. I was up in the pad, slept with papers under my bed. Cause bitch, I'm tryna fix something. Do something with all y'all. Soon as we get up on the walk, my youngin' punch his head off. Bitch, I'm out the north side. I'm bustin', I won't stand down. I put the bitch up in the casket. Fuck up your headstone. Niggas shoot the Run city, don't even claim that. Don't say nothing cause the shit ain't serious. Don't make me tame that shit. Youngest running with me with it. They on some dangerous shit. Bustin', put you in your fitty. I call that gang assist. Rollin', I just pop one. Tryna buy that bag and tip something. Yeah, hands hanging off my ass. Glock on my side with a green flag. Talkin' ready. Got him sippin' with the bus and did him bad. You let me swear we been a girl, don't do no talking. It's your ass. I ain't got no chill. I'm tryna send a bitch to won't feel. Had to throw the pussy. Bitch, I been there. And bitch, I'm still here. I pull up, make a nigga get back. Like what the deal is. All these pussy bitches shoot the size. Like down, no real. Come on, bitch, let me go. Yeah, yeah. Bitch, I do something with you. Nigga say and I'll bang it out with you. No ass nigga shit, let's do it. Look, do what you do. I put you on the news, bitch. We can fight or shoot. Bitch, I know these niggas know it's murder when I'm coming through. Bitch, I always win, I never lose. We gon' fuck over you. You become a victim of the chopper, put them on the news. I got cuss and I got pounds in it. I got hoes running, eating on the sign minute. I go by Youngboy and I took you up from talking shit. These niggas fitness and I know that they ain't broke this shit. Can't come how I'm coming, I was a youngin' when they tried that shit. Knocking niggas off, they never knew it was gon' come to this. Bitch, I just used to run a city. Don't even claim that. Don't say nothing cause the shit ain't serious. Don't make me tame that shit. Youngins running with me with it. They on some dangerous shit. Bustin', put you in your fitty. I call that gang assist.